Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create a team on Faceit. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to open our Faceit account. And after opening the account, as you can see in the profile section, so we have to click on the profile section. And after clicking on the profile section, we have to scroll down. And after scrolling down, you will get the create team option here. So we have to click on the create team. And after clicking on the create team, now we need to provide the name. For example, I am going to write the Kings. And now take 8 characters. We have to write the maximum 8 characters. As you can see, we have write this, and after writing this, you need to select the game here, and after selecting the game, as you can see, there's a create button, so you have to click on the create, and after clicking on the create, your team will be made. I can't made it because I have recently created my account and I haven't fulfilled my all account details. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can create your team on Faceit. So see you guys in the next video.